Right, so I'm spotting birds. No, not right now. I'm just gonna spot birds. I don't have a girlfriend, stop. No, I don't, liar. Which, you want subscribe, she's just lying. If you guys trust me, if you guys will know she's lying. If you guys trust her, screw it. I don't care. I just have to get you guys to trust me. Yeah. Yeah, raise your hand if you trust me. Raise your hand and scratch your head if you don't know. And put your hands down and don't do a hand if it's no. Okay, guys. Yeah, there's a bird spot. Oh, spotted bird. Look. It's a bird. Wait, it flew away? Oh, it did not. Alright. Looks like it's trying to let me. Ah, darn. Oh yeah. I'll just sneak through here. Don't mind. Don't mind me. Hey, I'm recording. Yeah, it's called the bird spotting. I thought they wasted all my storage. Now they gave me an extra video to add. What the heck? Yeah, it's just a video. It's called bird spotting. The last ones I made weren't add them yet. Oh, what the heck? Is that? Well, let me zoom in. Oh my snap. That looks like a fat worm. Wait, or a snake. Or a small snake. That was scary. Guys, I'm just, looks like I found a few birds. Oh, there's bees around me. Bees on me. Bees on me. Get out of here. Shoot. Mr. Blackbird. Hey, you. God, you got a good idea.